welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Big shout out to everybody. Thank you so much for 19,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway soon. Right now life is crazy and I barely have any free time to sleep or do anything enjoyable. So that'll be done and over with next week. But going through what I did yesterday, pulling out wire, doing demo, taking out plugs, switches, pulling out old wire. I probably kind of already mentioned that, but just taking stuff off the walls so they can demo the walls safely so there's no power on the walls. Went through this room. There's still some hot circuits on the left side, but I took out the wire that is piped over to the other side, which is over here. Took this wire out right here. And then most of my day was spent on the left side of this room. I kind of finished my day out in this middle room and the right side, but most of my day was over here by myself, demoing this power pole. I ripped open this wall a little bit. You'll see that here in a second. But this is all the stuff that I pulled out right there in this pile. I pulled all that stuff out of the walls, all that stuff. So there was like 4 pipes feeding this power pole thing, like 2 normal circuits, 2 critical circuits, I believe. There's tons of plugs all over it, but basically disconnected all of that, cut out the pipes that were piped into there, disconnected the clock right here, disconnected a cut-in box, another cut-in box disconnected from the left, which is hanging up there, another cut-in box, which is why I had to destroy the wall, because that circuit was connected to a room next door, which is outside of containment, and there's probably a patient in there in a bed or something. Disconnected some switches over here, just taking care of as much stuff as I could, as safely as possible, lockout, tag out, all that good stuff. And then moving into today, more demo, but first I started out with a wire pull, helping out a couple of the guys do a wire pull. Might have been one of the last pipes to pull wire through, or it's a new pipe, I don't even know. But it was a 1-inch with 7 circuits. And then jumping back into demo, I went ahead and demoed out some of this room. As you can see, this is the before. Yesterday I just had the ending, but as you can see, I'm gonna demo out the red receptacles right here, circuit 10. This is one of the boxes. It was blocked by a unistrut about 1 or 2 inches away. I couldn't even get a stubby screwdriver in there, so I just chopped that out so I could get to the box. There was a exam light hanging there, less heavy than I thought, so that was good. Went ahead and demoed out some wire, the receptacles. There's still a couple wires in these boxes that I will work on tomorrow. And then also worked on throwing in a temporary refeed. There's 3 circuits in there, so I worked on refeeding that to the room next door. I'm going to split those circuits that I worked on before with the wire mold that I teed off, so that's going to get partially refed from this room right here from circuit 10, because it keeps tripping or whatever and having problems. They're just overloading the circuit with a bunch of machines and charging stations and stuff. Anyways, that's what I worked on yesterday, today. Just trying to stay safe, working in these boxes. You might turn off one circuit, but there still might be 2 other circuits in there. If you cut a neutral the wrong way, it becomes hot. You can get seriously hurt. So anyways, just trying to do my best. And yeah, one day down yesterday, 1 day down today. I got 5 more days to go. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. I'll see you in the next one, and the giveaway will be soon. Later, guys. Peace.